What keeps an aircraft cleaning routine consistent when time is short and standards are high? This guide explains how an aircraft cleaning checklist audit helps teams verify cleaning, improve records, and support safer flights. You will also see how digital inspections can reduce paperwork and strengthen oversight across each turnaround. An aircraft cleaning checklist audit is a structured system used to inspect and verify cleaning activities. It helps airlines, maintenance crews, airport contractors, and cabin service teams confirm that each area meets operational and hygiene standards. The audit can cover cabin and cockpit cleaning, lavatory and galley sanitation, waste disposal, deep cleaning, exterior surface inspection, and compliance checks. Aircraft operate in high-traffic environments every day, so dirt, waste, spills, and bacteria can build up quickly. Regular audits help crews maintain consistent quality between flights. They also support passenger safety, maintain aviation standards with accurate records, track cleaning completion, standardize procedures across teams, and help faster turnaround times. Most cleaning audits focus on high-touch and high-risk areas. In cabin zones, inspectors review passenger seats and armrests, seat pockets and tray tables, overhead bins, cabin windows, carpets and flooring, and air vents with lighting panels. Critical service areas include lavatories, galley surfaces, emergency exits, cockpit panels, and waste compartments, and many operators add photo evidence for accountability. Go digital. Faster digital checks improve speed, accuracy, and visibility even during busy flight schedules. Cloud records shared allow teams to share reports in real time, store records in the cloud, conduct mobile inspections with reminders and customization, assign corrective actions faster, and monitor compliance trends with complete records. eAuditor Audits and Inspection helps aviation teams digitize inspections and streamline cleaning audits from one platform. Supervisors can review results in real time, teams can capture photos on mobile devices, corrective actions can be assigned immediately, and reports can be generated automatically while compliance trends are monitored. Strong audit routines also rely on standardized digital checklists, regular staff training, frequent spot inspections, photo documentation, weekly review of recurring issues, and checklist updates when regulations change. An effective checklist includes aircraft identification details, inspection date, time and crew, cabin lavatory and galley checkpoints, safety observations, corrective action sections, photo attachments, and auditor sign-off. Managers should encourage immediate corrective actions whenever issues appear because consistency supports operational reliability. Ready-to-use options include a cleaning inspection checklist, a sanitation checklist template, a deep cleaning checklist, and a maintenance inspection checklist. A strong aircraft cleaning checklist audit brings structure to inspections, records, and follow-up. Digital tools can make that work faster, clearer, and easier to track across every aircraft. When teams use complete checklists and act on issues quickly, they support cleaner cabins, stronger compliance, and more reliable turnarounds.